Dustin here with Big Sky Hunter. I just want to thank everybody for watching our hunting videos. I've been on a little different hunt lately. Been trying to find some custom seat covers for my Ford F-150 back here. It's kind of been my primary hunting rig the last couple of years, and it's got a light interior, and I'm sick of getting mud and blood all over the inside. So hunting around for seat covers, came across a company called Covers and Camo, and they have some awesome options, really one-of-a-kind seat covers. So contacted Neil, and Neil gave me all kinds of different options for them, emailed back and forth, really responsive, and I ordered these about 3 weeks ago and I just got them, so I'm pretty excited to open this up and see what we got. Alright, let's open this up here. See what we got here. Kind of instruction booklet here on top. See, I got the Cryptic Highlander material with a brown soft touch inlay. Pretty sweet. Got little tags on it. It tells you this is a driver's backrest. Also got the special ops. Cool. I got the special ops package, so it's got Molly. It's got the Molly on the top. It's got pockets. This is awesome. That's cool. All right, so I've cracked open the seat covers. Checked them out, looks awesome. Both the front and back came with like kind of a little packet. Take a look what we got here. Looks like it's got a brief description of your order. So Ford F-150, kind of cloth, just basically an invoice, a breakdown, and then it's got a instruction sheet here with it. It also advises you to watch a video, an installation video on coversandcamos.com/installation. So I'm gonna go check that out, and hopefully we'll get these bad boys on. Let's take a look at the interior of the truck before I put on these seat covers here. You can kind of see it's just a tan, real light tan. Back seats too, just a light tan color. Okay, so I just got done watching the instruction video. First thing I'm going to do is remove the headrests, and can't wait to get these on. Alright, I got the first little section of the front done. They recommend going middle out, so you can see I've got the center console done. Came together really nicely. This stuff is super high quality. It's awesome. Put this down for a minute. I'm gonna open this up. Yeah, check that out. That is cool. And of course, we're in Montana, so it's only 40 degrees right now, so when this stuff warms up, it's going to break in even better. But this stuff has some nice cushion to it, really high quality sew job. I want to show you the cushion this stuff has on it. Look at that. Nice foam sew jobs. Again, got the Molly webbing. This is the driver. I believe this is the, which one is this? I got a couple different options for the front. We'll see this one later. I've got a MOLLE webbing pocket, and then I've got a pistol pocket for one. So we'll take a look at that. So first little section is done. That's sweet. All right, I got the fronts done. This lighting's not the best, but check it out. Cool. Okay, I just got my seat covers all installed from Covers and Camo seat covers. They look awesome. I'm really happy with the way they fit. Makes such a big difference. I got a few custom options. So I got the soft touch brown inlay color, which I really like. It kind of matches my truck a little bit, with the Cryptic Highlander camo. And then I had this front pocket added onto it. So it's got that nice big pouch there. It's got the MOLLE webbing on the front. You could put pins, tire, pressure checker, stuff like that. And then it's got the console cover. Covers this whole seat here. And then I also got a little cubby there, and it's designed for all that. So really awesome fit, really like nice cushiony seat covers, and just I think it's awesome. You can see the back here, and I got the special ops package, which you can see it's got a big pocket here. You can get from both sides. It's got two pockets here, another pocket on the side there, and then you can put a rifle across the seats. I'll show you that here in a minute. And the back seats are fully covered, headrests, options. It's just so custom and fits so good. Really awesome. Go to the other side here and show you the driver's side. Really nice tight fit the way they're designed. It took me just over an hour to install these. I really couldn't be more happy with how they look. Really like the special ops package too. That MOLLE webbing is sweet. So, and then on the driver's side, instead of having the regular pocket like that side, I've got a pistol pocket. And it opens and it actually totally detaches. I'll show you with my pistol. And then also an added little pistol holster here between the seats. So this guy's thought of everything. All right, so I've got the pistol in the pistol holster now. You can see how that just velcros up there. Pistol just sits nicely in there. It's got enough room for a couple clips. And then we've also got this little pistol holster right there. That is really sweet. Get it right there. So it just sits right in there. It's got a little holder there for it. So either way, if you're carrying your pistol, you got a place for it. The cool thing about this pocket on the front too is it totally comes off. So you got your pistol in it and your clips, and you can carry it wherever you're going. So that's sweet. Easy access, one hand on and off. And then in the back you can see you got my rifle sitting across there. So check them out. coversandcamos.com. You will not be sorry that you checked them out. They have all kinds of different fabrics, designs, super high quality, awesome customer service, quick shipping times. What else could you ask for?